I will compare the new iPhone 17 Pro Max with Honor 80 Pro Flat. iPhone 17 Pro Max 6.9 inches LTPS Super Retina XDR LED display and aspect ratio 19:5:9. Honor 80 Pro Flat 6.67 inches LED display and aspect ratio 20:9. iPhone 17 Pro Max run on the S26 operating system. Honor 80 Pro Flat run on the Android 12 operating system. iPhone 17 Pro Max it comes with 12GB RAM and 256GB, 512GB, 1TB internal storage. Apple A19 Pro processor adds Apple Graphics GPU. Honor 80 Pro Flat it comes with 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor adds GPU Adreno 730. iPhone 17 Pro Max real set triple camera setup 48 megapixel per 48 megapixel per 48 megapixel. Front camera 24 megapixel. Honor 80 Pro Flat real set triple camera setup 160 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. Front camera 32 megapixel. iPhone 17 Pro Max 4850 mAh battery, 25 watt fast charging support. Honor 80 Pro Flat 4800 mAh battery, 66 watt fast charging support.